To use a MEXC voucher, start by logging into your MEXC account and navigating to the voucher section. Here you will find a list of available vouchers, including their values and expiration dates. First, ensure you have a voucher code, which can be obtained through various promotions or giveaways on the MEXC platform. Once you have the code, click on the Redeem Voucher button and enter the code in the required field. After entering the voucher code, review the terms and conditions to understand how the voucher can be used, including any restrictions or requirements. Once you agree to the terms, confirm the redemption and the voucher will be added to your account. The voucher can be used to pay for trading fees or to purchase other services on the MEXC platform, depending on the type of voucher. When making a payment, select the voucher as your payment method and the voucher amount will be deducted from the total cost. It is essential to note that vouchers have expiration dates, so it is crucial to use them before they expire. Additionally, vouchers are non-transferable and cannot be exchanged for cash. To get the most out of your MEXC voucher, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions, and use the voucher before it expires. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use your MEXC voucher and enjoy the benefits it provides. Regularly check the MEXC platform for new voucher promotions and giveaways, and take advantage of these opportunities to obtain more vouchers and maximize your savings. By being informed and taking the right actions, you can make the most out of your MEXC vouchers and enhance your overall trading experience.